Slide 1, start. Imagine a world where cancer is curable in days, where organs are printed on demand, and where your own cells become microscopic surgeons. This isn't science fiction, this is the future of medicine, and it's closer than you might think. The medicine of tomorrow will be unrecognizable to the doctors of today. We're standing on the precipice of a medical revolution that will reshape humanity's relationship with health and disease. Let's begin with perhaps the most transformative shift: personalized medicine. Your genome, unique as your fingerprint, will become your medical blueprint. Imagine treatments tailored not just to your disease, but to your very DNA. Artificial intelligence is already revolutionizing diagnostics. These digital physicians can analyze millions of medical images in seconds, detecting patterns invisible to the human eye. But that's just the beginning. Enter the world of nanomedicine, microscopic machines swimming through your bloodstream, hunting down cancer cells with precision that would make a surgeon's hand look clumsy. These nanobots will repair damaged tissues, deliver drugs, and even perform microscopic surgery. But perhaps the most miraculous advancement lies in organ engineering. Imagine a world where waiting lists for organ transplants don't exist. Using your own cells, we can now grow organs in laboratories. The first 3D printed hearts are already beating in research labs. Now, let's talk about CRISPR and gene editing. We're developing the ability to rewrite the code of life itself. Genetic diseases that have plagued families for generations could be eliminated in a single generation. The merger of mind and machine is no longer science fiction. Brain-computer interfaces are already helping paralyzed individuals walk again. Soon, they might enhance memory, regulate emotions, and even expand human consciousness. The hospitals of tomorrow will be smart environments where AI coordinates care, robots perform surgery, and doctors can operate on patients from across the globe using advanced robotics and haptic feedback. Prevention will become the cornerstone of healthcare. Imagine tiny sensors in your bloodstream continuously monitoring your health, detecting diseases years before symptoms appear, and automatically adjusting your treatment. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we gain the ability to modify human genetics and enhance human capabilities, we must ask ourselves, where do we draw the line? What makes us human? The future of medicine isn't just about curing disease, it's about redefining human potential. We're entering an age where aging might be optional, where disabilities can be overcome, and where the boundaries between healing and enhancement blur. As we close, remember, the future of medicine isn't just a destination, it's a journey we're all part of. The choices we make today will shape the healthcare of tomorrow.